This is how you replace a window switch in a Generation 2 Toyota Prius. These things come apart like Legos. There's a couple little clips, and this pulls up. You just snap it up. Be careful you don't break it. Now, I've already removed this switch because I couldn't do it one-handed. But that little tab right there, you have to push in, and it comes out of this socket. The switch itself, there are little catches right there, so you pull this, pry this out, and you gently get the switch out. The switch comes out, you can see the little retaining clips. Pop the new switch in. I guess it would have been helpful if I'd noticed which direction it went. It's going to go like that. Make sure that we are correct. Nope, other way. So it goes like that, snaps in. Then this snaps into the socket, maybe. Hard to do left-handed. And you can see the window now rolls up and down. So those little tabs right there are going to go, the tab is going to go in that little slot and that little slot. You put it in there, and you are done.